647, still working on loading this file into the game. We're working on generating the hallways. In file 196 in the high-level load on bottom section and the file 196 loader function, we have added this tunnel interior loop, and we're going to loop through every single room and loop through every single edge on that room and decide if we need to draw the interior details of our doorway. So if we don't skip out at this point, then we're going to fabricate the interiors of the doorway. We first have to get the doorway rectangle. This is a shorthand reference to this. We're going to get the bitmap center X and Y using the room index in the lookup table that converts the room index to bitmap center X and bitmap center Y. So that's going to be the center of these 13 rooms here on this bitmap in that coordinate space. This right here is the inclusive bounds of one of the doorways that we're looking at. So we're going to take the edge and seek to the base address of our record and then relatively offset to the the left, the right, the top and the bottom edge, and we're going to store them here. These are local coordinates, so we'll have to globalize them later. Inside of scan and stash, we're going to set doorway pixel index to -1, and then we're going to loop through everything in scanline order. We must loop through the doorway pixels in scanline order, otherwise this logic right here is going to break the fuck down. So this is doorway pixel I for stashing a pixel in our doorway buffer. We're going to multiply that by 4 to get the component base address of this pixel index here. And then we need to globalize this coordinate right here. So we're going to tack on the origin of our current room to this local doorway pixel that we're getting from this lookup from this loop here. And then BDX, BDY, that is a pixel somewhere on here. And it should be between 0 and 196 inclusive. We're going to convert BDX, BDY into an index, multiply by 4 to get a component address. And then we're ready to copy over our RGBA 196 pixel into the doorway pixel. And we have these shorthand references for Josh pixel, which is RGBA 196, which is this thing, and then this is our doorway pixel buffer. So we're gonna copy a pixel from Josh pixel into our doorway buffer, and then we'll do stuff with it in the next video. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm out of time. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You are here on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.